The BenQ Board's multi-window feature lets you open and use several apps at the same time. In this video, we'll show you how to set it up and get the most out of it. Whenever you have an app open, simply open the sidebar and tap the multi-window button. This creates a new window containing the app. You can repeat this process for up to 6 apps open simultaneously. Each window is adjustable. Drag the bar at the bottom to move it around the screen. You can resize a window, pin a window to keep it on top of others, drag a window to snap it to a corner, or return an app to full screen. For faster layout options, you can use the preset alignments, such as left or right, and also adjust how much of the screen the window occupies. Multi-window helps teachers keep lessons, apps, and materials visible at the same time, making it easier to maintain a smooth classroom flow and keep students engaged. If you want to learn more about the BenQ Board Pro RPO5, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.